Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to paint your World War II helmet, a medic decal. For this decal you're going to need two colors, which you could already tell, red and white. So the red is for the Red Cross, the white is for the outside of it. I don't know how I'm going to do the outside of it yet, but we'll get to that. After a million years of aligning and stuff, this is how it looks like so far. Not sure if you can see it in the light, but probably like this, maybe. That's how it looks. I'll get better lighting someday, but this is how it looks like. Got right here. It's a medic decal. I need the white on there, and I'll show you how to do it when this dries, which is probably tomorrow, so I'll just have to do it tomorrow. So next is the white part. As you can see, it's not day anymore, it is night. I don't know what time it is right now, but we're moving on to the white paint. I already did some of it already, so now we're doing the complete. We trace out the cross that we just did. See how good it got? How it looks like so far. Oops, I got paint. Got paint on my shirt. I need to take out the liner so I can continue.
What are you doing?
Painting.
Oh, some ink on the floor.
I can see.
Cool.
Can you close my door?
Oh.
Can you close the door?
Oh, yes. Want an orange?
No.
Okay.
It won't look perfect, but it will do. That's how it is. That's the finishing result. Next video, it will be just put more decal, such as this symbol, just smaller. And then now, it's ready for D-Day. Helmet liner. Put that in there. Wait for the paint to dry. till the next day. Looks pretty good. If you want to see more videos like this one, click the like and subscribe if you want to see a lot more videos like this. A lot. Thank you very much and have a very nice day.